Ridgid. Give you a little bit of a closer look at this Ridgid saw. 18-volt circular saw by Ridgid. Adjust your bottom plate there. Simple lever up like that, simple lever down. Depth of your saw can change. Got the scale down the side. Depth of your saw changes back here. Loosen that, drop it up, down, whatever you need to do. Shallow cut, deep full cut, lock her in place. Got a safety switch there. You got to hold that down to get her to fire. Won't work if you don't. And got a guard on it. Everything you need. Right there. Lifetime warranty on the battery, lifetime warranty on the tool. Again, Ridgid, my favorite power tool. Works for me every time. Think it'll work for y'all. Y'all have a blessed day.